Okay, so are you able to run that code and tell me what will happen?
Okay, sure. Sure.
Does it help if we put the print statement inside the loop?
Yeah. I mean, but still you'll get the same result because the count is bigger.
Okay.
Is more than 0.
So if you want to change that while actually to something that really works and stop after some time, so what can we change here?
The like maybe the while can be count more than 10 or something.
So if we say, you mean if we say here count bigger than 10, or what should we do?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Um, we should do like less than or equals to 10. Or
Excellent.
yeah,
Yes. Okay. So okay, never mind. You managed to write it or not yet?
not yet. I need
Okay.
to write it. No. Okay. Let me complete it. Okay.
Done?
Yeah, let me run it. Yeah, I get wait. Oh, yeah, good. I didn't put count. Okay, let me run. Yeah, I get the minimum. Yeah.
Okay, good. And let's move to the next here. Can you tell me what is the issue here?
Okay. There's no the brackets.
Okay, so it means
That's
if
one.
if
Yeah.
we run the code, what will happen?
Wait, there's more errors. Yeah, if you run the code, it should just print one number. It will print only 12, I think.
12 only. Okay,
Yeah.
can you run it, please? Can you write the code? I think it's a small change.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, the count is after the print statement.
Yes.
Oh, last nothing. This is, this is 14. Why am I getting errors on some other
Share your
lines?
screen. Share your screen.
Like,
Uh,
1 second. Okay. Oh, sorry, I know my issue. Okay, let me run it again. Whoa, it just prints 10 forever.
Why?
Yeah, because there is no thing to stop it.
So how can we
And
fix that?
first you have to put the count above the print statement, I think.
And
And then you need the brackets.
so, okay, can you try both solutions that you mentioned? Try one
Yeah.
time with the curly braces and try one time switching the two lines, the print and the count. But you can share your
So,
screen.
okay. Yeah. Yeah, when I put the count up and I do that, then it works now.
Okay, can you switch back the print statement and put the count now? What's the difference? It still work, but what's the difference?
It prints like before adding one more to each value.
Yes, so
So
start for with
yeah,
10,
yeah,
but still work.
yeah.
So, okay, this means that the major change that really solves the problem is not switching the count.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the
It's the curly braces.
yeah.
Now you see.
Yeah, well, that was without the count at all. I wanted to see what would happen if I had no count. Yeah, okay.
Okay, good. So do you know why the curly braces is important? Do you still remember when we said if we don't have a curly braces, the while loop consider only one line under it, and then it will
Right, yeah,
ignore
yeah,
all other lines. So it means that
yeah.
if there is a print, it will only consider the print belong to it, and there is no count.
Right, right.
It doesn't see the count. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good. We try to continue. But
Okay.
we didn't continue the discussion of the operating system. Okay. The main reason that I'm talking to you about the operating system is that before we have Windows and before we start to have a graphical user interface or even any operating system, if you write a code like what you are trying to do now, now you are only writing a print statement and writing a while loop and so on. But before, if you want to write this kind of code before operating system, then you have to write to tell the computer how he is going to print something to the screen. At the moment, you just say print to the screen.
Yeah.
And it's done for you. But before, it wasn't that easy. When you say print screen, then you have to do a lot of things. Now, when you say print screen, the operating system takes care of everything. It allocates memory to you. It allow you to print something to the screen directly. It handles all the accessories. It takes care of the mouse. It takes care of printing something to the screen. It takes care of inputting something from the keyboard. All this you don't have to take care of. So even if the purpose of your code is to only add a few lines or add a few numbers and print the result, you might finding yourself writing 100 or 200 lines of code just to do that because there is no operating system. So it means that the operating system takes care of many things behind the hood. Did you understand that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, good. Now I think you can start to see my screen.
Yeah.
So there is actually one of the major reasons that we might use a loop. He put for us three types or three possible usages. Compute a sum of a series. So if you have a list of numbers, we can compute the sum of them easily using a loop. We can determine the frequency with which a specific criteria is met. So we will see that how it looks like. We can identify also the individual digits in an integer. So let us have a look at the code that is can do this kind of functionality. So can you have a look at this code?
Okay. Yep.
So what this code does?
It limited at 100, so you get from 1 to 100. You
We
get all
add
the
we add 1 to 100. Am I right?
yeah.
Okay, and you are able to use that code in a method? Is it possible?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, okay. So if I have a method and it say sum and you pass to it 100, it will start counting from 1 to 100. Is it possible?
Yeah. Yeah.
And if we put 1000, will it do
Okay.
the same?
Possible.
Okay, good. What about here? Can you know what this guy is trying to do?
Okay. Yeah.
Did you start to see or not
Yeah.
yet? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I see it.
Okay. Can you please try to run this code?
Okay.
Why we have two counters here? One count and one number.
Because you want you need like to know how many numbers are multiple of 3 but not 5. But then you also need to calculate the numbers from 1327 to 4542. So there's like two sets of numbers that you need to account for.
Okay. Did you see this statement?
Yeah.
So this means that num will be incremented, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Try to run them.
Yeah. Okay.
You can also share your code.
Then can you send the
Yeah, sure.
yeah.
You can start sharing.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, I didn't print anything, but yeah. Okay. So here, what should I print also?
You can print
Just
count
the
and num. It's up, but it's up to you. But outside the while loop, I also would like to see the count.
meaning.
You go after line 30, you put also print count.
Oh, okay. Then I should do with num also then.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow. So huge, huh?
Yeah.
But is this number for num is correct?
Cannot be. It's not possible to be correct, right?
Can you confirm again that you write correctly the code that I passed you?
Everything is the exact same.
No, check line 23.
Ah,
Aha. Okay, so the maximum
yeah.
number that we have is 4543. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, um, then let me share them. I'm start to sharing.
Okay. Okay.
So if we have a few digits like that in a number, we are able to get out each digit separately. Am I right?
Yeah.
Do you remember that? Can you still remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, so do you think we are able to convert that code to something inside the while loop?
Yeah. Possible.
Okay. Can you think of something that you can write? What
Hmm.
is being repeated every time, regardless of the numbers that we want to get?
That you're dividing by 10. The num divide by 10
Okay,
is
good.
always repeating.
What about if you put it inside a while loop?
Okay, but then I need to change the digit that I'm extracting.
Okay. You need to change it, yes. So what do you see repeating here so far? This division, right?
Yeah.
So when you keep dividing, what will happen?
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, then I'll get each digit after I give the okay, right. Because it's integer, so you'll just remove the last. Yeah.
Yes. So
Okay.
did you start writing the code? The possible
Okay, I can
codes?
try. Okay. So I put while number less than or equals to
I think it's
1,
better to share.
3. Okay. Oh yeah, then I'll need you to send the.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, so then this I want it to be while the maximum number is 1347, right? I just leave it as this or
Okay.
can
Okay. When so the division can really continue up to you just put the number. What is the number that he put? 1347, right?
yeah.
Okay. When he keep dividing, can you see the last line that we have? Is that he divide the
Yeah.
number equal 1, right?
Yeah.
So if you divide 1 by 10 again, what is the result?
This integer, so it'll still be 1.
No, who said? Okay, now
Oh no, it'll be 0.
yes. So it means that
Yeah.
there is something that we can mark. If we keep dividing until we get num equals 0, it means that we already finished all the numbers.
Yeah.
So okay, so then you have a condition already.
So I should put it more than 0, right? More
Not
than or equal to 0.
equal 0, not equal 0.
Oh,
Not equal.
okay. Okay, then here I should do this.
The division.
Yeah, I want if statement, right? So divide by 10.
No, you don't need an if statement. You just need to put
Oh,
the division, only this division.
oh, okay. This I don't need. Okay, but I can't just leave this out here in the open. I cannot. I need to put it in a. I have this.
You
And
can.
this is so confusing.
Which one? Which one is so confusing?
Like this whole thing, because I cannot. Like it's not the same as the previous.
Yes, but
words,
you
what?
don't need number plus plus. You don't need
Yeah,
yes, and you don't need
and
count
I
at
don't
all,
need count plus plus. Yeah,
and you don't need the curly braces here. This one and this one.
yeah.
Okay.
But
But what?
from here, what do I do? That's the problem.
Can we print
Because if I
num,
print
the
this,
value
yeah.
of num?
Because if I print it,
Just print the num.
I print this like that.
Yes.
And
Okay.
if I
Now
run,
try.
I'll get, yeah.
Okay. What is the error?
I didn't. Anything else I didn't do? Oh yeah, this. Yeah, oh yeah, this is not a statement by itself, right?
So you don't need to really put it in the brackets.
Yeah. Oops. Okay. Oh, and I don't need this. Oh no, I don't need this. Okay. Yeah.
So what do you think you get an output with? So is it correct what you're doing?
No,
Why?
because I need more than this.
Now, okay, now have a look first. Actually, the purpose of that code is to actually print each number inside
Yeah,
num, but we are not
so
doing
I
that.
need, yeah.
Look at the code again that I passed to you. Which part of the code that I passed to you is responsible for getting the last number? The division do a
As in-
certain part, but there's some other operation.
As in this, 7.
Yes, 7 and 4 and 3 and 1. This is what we want to print actually.
Yeah, that one you did a number, like you did with the percentage, then
Yes, the
the
remainder.
modulus. Yeah, remainder. Yeah.
So can we put it, can we try to use the remainder
Okay.
here? Can you think about how can
So
we use the
means,
remainder?
but how am I going to?
Have to put it inside the while.
Yeah,
So how to put it inside the while? That's it. That's a question.
yeah. Maybe I can put like that with a, or like with an and statement or something.
What about if you try to put it inside the print statement and see? Inside the while?
Like if I put a print statement inside the while,
Yes. But you
like this
so
whole thing.
no, wait. So you come to line 39, and what we need to show is the remainder, the last digit for every time. So actually, can I ask you something? When we divide, what we lose?
When we divide by 10, so we lose
The last
like
number.
we'll use, so the last number 7, then 4, then 3.
Okay, perfect. So it means that can you try to here put the print statement that say num remainder 10?
Okay. Oh.
Something is happening, but maybe not so correct.
So maybe I get rid of this one first.
Can you check again? Is that the correct position? So you see here, you're getting 4. You're printing 4.
Yeah.
You're printing 3.
Yeah.
And you're printing 1.
Yeah.
It means that somehow you by this line, you are getting some correct outputs. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, run again. 4,
Yeah.
3,
I
2,
just need
1,
the
0.
I
But
just
you
need
are
the
missing the
7.
7. Yes.
Yeah.
So think then, how can you get the 7? And why you're not getting it from this code?
Yeah, because remainder means you will get rid of this.
So first of all, when we come here,
Yeah.
let's check this condition. This condition is num not equal 0. 1, 3, 4, 7 is not equal 0, right? So we come
Yeah.
here. So what is the output of this line?
1, 3, 4.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah.
Okay.
So actually it's this line that is creating the problem, right? Because this line is getting rid of the 7.
Exactly. Exactly. Before we
So
even can capture it.
see what happens here. Oh, okay. So I think, what if we put this line below the person? What will that change? There we go.
Okay. But yes, I'm happy with that you managed to get it, but I want you to have a deep understanding. Not only yes, I know you're
Try
smart.
that, yeah.
Did you manage to understand why?
No, I don't know
Really?
why I'm moving it. Yeah,
Okay. So,
like
okay,
what's the reason?
if you divide, you lose the 7. So you have to get
Yeah,
to get the remainder before you divide. The remainder,
right. So I'm getting
any
this
remainder with
remainder.
10
So,
will get the last number for you.
yeah,
So
yeah.
first you get the last number and then you get rid of it.
And then you, yeah.
Then
Okay,
you get
okay.
the last number, then you get rid of it, and so on.
Yeah. Okay, makes
Okay.
sense.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. So I will send you some good exercise actually. I know that the time is tight, so I might not be able to really upload the videos, but I will send you the exercise. I think by today. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
do you have any question about this class?
No.
Okay. So then see you in next class. Our next class
Okay.
is,
Monday, right?
yes, what time?
3 p.m.
Okay, good. Then take care then.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay, you too. Bye bye.